If you're a business owner and you want to start using funnels, I'm going to give you a 3-step funnel that you can use for free. Yeah, my name's Melissa Mitchell. I own a marketing agency and I specialize in organic marketing. The thing you're going to do is your video content is about a particular topic and you want to make that short and sweet, maybe 30 seconds, 40 seconds. You're going to say, for more information, check out the blog I've just written about this. And you're strategically going to place that blog on your social media after you've posted the video. When they go into the blog, embedded in the blog, you're going to put a link, which is going to allow them to subscribe to your database. Now, I always recommend that you have this option because none of us own our social media, and it's really important that you build this database because this is where your gold is. From there, you're going to have an automated email that goes out that welcomes them, and in that email, to entice them to sign up, you're going to give them something for free. For example, I give away a free bio optimization. With that freebie, that's in return for the email address. And of course, then in that email, you're going to then also get them to follow you on social media. You're going to offer them a low-end offer, something like, just a couple of dollars or $10, $20. And maybe you might suggest 4 ways that you can work together. Or if you don't have that, it might be, here's 2 ways that we can work together. One topic is going to become your blog. It's going to become your email topic, etc. So you're actually repurposing that one topic to become all of your content. So you're not having to think of multiple different topic pieces, and then it becomes your funnel as well. Just a rinse and repeat process. And of course, this process is evergreen as well, and you're building your database. As I said, that is where the gold is because none of us own our social media content. Daily marketing and social media tips. Don't forget to follow or subscribe. And of course, don't forget to check out the link in my bio or description for my free DIY marketing resources.